She does this every time. People tell me I have to video it. They smell good? All right. Come on, kiddo.